Hello and good morning, Tanner and the boss man over at KBA Technology. Spoke with Tanner at your guys' New Richmond store. He said the boss was over in the Hudson one. Awesome. I just wanted to get this custom video sent over to you guys, showing how you guys can start to increase your digital marketing and really start to grow your business just by having a better online presence. So a few of the things we're going to go over are the website itself, some back-end things, which we like to call SEO or search engine optimization, and how to do better on that, as well as a Google My Business profile, how we can optimize that, how we can get more calls off of that, and all kinds of awesome, great things. So let's jump right into it here. We got your guys' website up. First thing I see that's a huge red flag is that you guys are not a secure site. Having SSL on your website is everything. Another thing that I noticed as I was scrolling through it here is right down here, 2012 KBA Computer Services. That tells me that this website was built 10 years ago. And just by looking at some of the things that you guys have on for like your iPhone repair, you still have iPhone 5 and iPhone 6. So this website is outdated. The click to call up here doesn't work. I see you guys offer a few different things for computers, iPhones, iPads, Samsung. It's phenomenal. You guys don't have a lot of like contact us buttons around here, like contact forms people can fill out. These like buttons, not a bad thing to have. Not seeing your guys' privacy policy or terms of service anywhere on here doesn't mean you don't have it, but definitely some things to work on. Also, Google loves having content on websites. They will rank you better for it, not solely for it, but they will rank you better for having more content. It allows your consumer to read more about you, to understand more. We can also, from a marketing standpoint, we can put more keywords in. We can add more backlinks into that kind of stuff. We also want to be able to save photos. One thing I can do here is I can save the image as, and we can see if it's saved as a keyword. I would assume KBA Tech is, or that probably not even saying that, KBA Tech, sorry. It's a keyword, I guess, technically, because people are searching for it, but we also want to be finding really, really good keywords that we can put all over our website. And one way we can kind of do that is by taking your guys' URL and bringing it into a tool here we like to use. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives us a guideline of where you have for your backlinks. You're at 269 right now. The referring domains that are holding all of those backlinks, as well as the organic keywords that you guys have. Currently 102, roughly 102 right around there on your site. And how much organic traffic your guys' site is getting monthly. Organic traffic meaning you're not advertising, people are just finding you. So definitely want to get all of these numbers up. Not only just do we want to get numbers up, we also want to make sure that we have good quality backlinks and keywords. Because once we have good quality ones, we're going to be found more. And so how we do that is we actually searched for one of your competitors in the neighboring communities with Stillwater, because obviously you guys, from what I did research on, you guys are doing really well in New Richmond. You're doing really well at Hudson, but there's so much more customers out there that could use your guys' services, so you want to be found more, right? So let's find like something like Stillwater, computer repair services. They have the top of the Google My Business map pack portion, which is another thing I was talking to go over. This is huge. I think you guys had a couple hundred reviews, so that's awesome. Definitely want to get up over here ranked in this as well if you guys are willing to service that area. But like I mentioned, also organic, right? Down below this, we have the organic search section. You guys did pop up in the first page of the organics in New Richmond as well as Hudson, so not bad there. But we want to get you guys up all over because we want more people to find you, right? So we grab these guys, and let's see, we have them right here. Excuse me, once we have this loaded up. So, like I said, they have more buttons, right? Their click to calls work. They have a support option, residential, commercial. They do all kinds of good things here. We know right where they're at. They got some testimonials. It's good. But other than that, their website's pretty small for the most part. You guys have a little bit larger site. They don't have a ton of content. This is all they really have. So their site's a little rough as well, but we don't need to have a great site in order to be found. So we want to figure out what they're doing, right? We take their URL, same thing, bring it back into Ahrefs, and we figure out what they're doing. They have less backlinks, which is not a bad thing. They might have higher quality backlinks. We'll go into that in a second. They have more keywords, and they're getting almost 741 traffic. That's almost 10 times what you guys had. You had 80 something, right? So we want to figure out if they're doing so well, what do they have that you guys don't? So here at Midwest WI Marketing, we go in and we figure out each and every single one of their backlinks that they have, where they're coming from, where they're located, how do we get them, if they're valid, if they're good, if they draw good power to your site, if they take away power to your site. Same thing with all of the keywords. We want to figure out, you guys only had 102 keywords, and computer repair, they had, I think it was 300 or something like that. Let's see here. Yeah, 300. And so we want to go and compare your keywords versus their keywords. Computer repair shops. Let's see if you have that, right? So we can do a little compare and contrast here. So KBA Technology, cell phone repair Wisconsin. We can see right here it's getting a 20 search volume. You guys, that's a 5 KD, so it's a good keyword to go after. But you guys are in 25th position for something like that. Let's see, cell phone repair in Richmond. No, I'm not seeing this. So you guys don't have any of those really big keywords like these guys have. Computer repair shops. There's a 5,000 search volume with that. If you guys added that one keyword to your site, you could potentially grab all the search volume from this whole entire first page, right? iPhone repair, new iPhone repair near me. That's a good one too that you guys have. They've got all kinds of them. I mean, computer repair, 185,000. These are very, very high search volume keywords that aren't exactly easy to rank for because they have a 54 KD. Sorry, I'm getting a little too into it, but regardless, we want to grab these high search volumes, right? We can figure out the positioning that they're in for each and every one of those right here. And compare it to you guys. We want to figure out what you guys have, what they have, whether it's keywords, backlinks, vice versa. Touch base on this one more time here again is making sure that we have this fully optimized. We can also add in backlinks into your Google business profile, really get that boosting up there and kind of figure out how to start grabbing more clients every single month. So with that being said, Tanner and everybody over at KBA Technology, hope you guys found this video useful. Definitely highly recommend getting this SSL more than anything. That's going to help you guys out big time. And updating the site is going to help you guys a lot as well. So that being said, again, my name is Josh Nelson, Midwest Valley Marketing. Hope you guys have a great day.